Formula One V12 era. Formula One V12s from the 1990s remain the highest revving, most extreme V12s ever built. The Ferrari 412 T2's 3-liter V12 screamed to 17,000 RPM and produced a sound that could cause permanent hearing damage back then. Honda's 1960s F1 V12s had a different character. Smoother, more refined, but still incredibly loud. They proved Japan could compete with European engineering. The 312Ts, flat 12, okay, technically a 180-degree V12, had a unique sound, broader, fuller than traditional V12s. It powered Ferrari to multiple championships. The Matra V12 had its own distinctive note, different from Italian or British engines. It proved that V12 character comes from more than just displacement and RPM.